Guys, Tyler here. I've got a really cool package here. This one's we kind of been in the cahoots with a company out of Reno, Bora Off-Road Spacers. This is kind of something special for the Tacoma, what we got going on. So we wanted to unbox it and show you what we got. So yeah, as you can see, this is the 8-lug pattern, our F250 axles. This is our 8-lug pattern. And then they built us these custom 2-piece spacers here that go to our 6-lug trophy truck pattern because we were running forged trophy truck wheels. 2-piece, bolt together. We'll even pull them apart. We'll show you. They're all dowel pinned, super nice. All American made right here in the States, lifetime warranty. I mean, literally their website, everything about this whole company is super awesome. If you guys need any kind of wheel spacers, adapters, anything like that, highly recommend checking out Bora Off-Road Wheel Spacers. So yeah, let's get them on. Awesome, so we're at the front of the truck here. This is our project truck here, the 1-ton Taco. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of give you a quick little rundown of how to put on the Bora 2-piece wheel spacers. We have brand new brakes on this, so we kind of don't really have to worry about this too much, but we really want to make sure both surfaces on the first adapter and the mating surface are nice and wiped down. Go ahead and throw that on there. And then sometimes you got to cut the studs down a little bit to clear the second adapter. We've already done that in this video. You can see we got plenty of room there. So what we're going to do is we're going to install our lug nuts that comes with the spacers from Bora. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our Milwaukee impact. We actually got to turn down to its lowest setting. All I'm going to do is just run them on. We're not going to tighten anything or do anything like that. We're just going to simply just snug it up. When I kind of go from the opposite corner. Now if they're all kind of snugged up, you just got to make sure that you got a good mating surface, that there's no air gaps or nothing like that. Everything should look good there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to torque them down to the factory wheel spec. What I like to do is I like to stick a screwdriver kind of somewhere in here. Kind of just helps you hold the wheel right where you want to be. All right. Kind of do a couple laps. Because sometimes you'll get just a little bit of a turn every single time, like that one right there. Just like that. And then something that you don't have to do, but we do, works kind of good right here on these dowel pins that they put in. We just like to put a little bit of copper anti-seize on these. That way if you ever have to take these things back apart, they'll come right back apart, no problem. Just a little extra insurance here. So now we're going to take our second spacer again. Make sure it's nice and clean, both surfaces. It's nothing that's going to have you have a false torque or anything like that. Line your dowel pins up. Just like to take a little rubber mallet and just kind of work those dowel pins on there. Just nice, easy taps. Just like that. One cool thing that Bora does on these countersunk bolts is they already put anti-seize on here for you, so you don't really have to worry about that. Turn down. We're just going to snug it up. Again, doing that little star pattern here. Now we're going to take a 3/8 torque wrench. Bora will spec out this spec for you. And that is how you install your 2-piece Bora off-road wheel spacers. Alright, so we're probably going to have some people asking. So this is a 3-inch total wheel spacer, the first and the second adapters. It's 3 inches total from factory. The reason why we have this is because we are running these forged KMC wheels. And these are directly off of a new 4-wheel drive trophy truck, and they run a 6-inch offset. So typically what you see traditionally is people running a 4 or 4.5 inch offset. So we're running a 6-inch offset. So this allows us to run these two adapters to get to the trophy truck 6-lug pattern, while still keeping the vehicle not as wide as people may think it will be. So this will be your basic 1-ton setup right here, width. So that's what we got.